So welcome back to my channel, students. Good evening. So today I'm going to discuss regarding illustration number 8, okay, from B.B.Dam book, okay, Partnership Fundamentals. So here you see Anand and Krishna are partners of a firm. They have withdrawn rupees 400 and rupees 300 respectively per month at the beginning of each month for 12 months from the business for their personal use. So there is drawings, okay, of Anand of rupees 400, okay, at the beginning of each month. Means in a year there are 12 months, yes or no? So at the beginning of each and every month Anand is withdrawing rupees 400 and Krishna, the other partner, okay, is withdrawing rupees 300. Okay, so according to partnership agreement, interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate 8% per annum. You are required to calculate interest on drawings. Okay, so here drawings calculation is asked. So in case of Anand, I am going to show you only one calculation, okay, for only one partner. Okay, so the next partner for Krishna you have to do it by yourself. So here you see date of withdrawal 1st April. Okay, amount is 400 and this 400 is withdrawn for 12 months. Okay, so 400 into 12, it is 4800. You see here, okay, rupees 400 is withdrawn. Okay, 400 into rate of interest is 8%. Okay, so we put here 8%, okay, into, it is for 12 months, yes or no? So 12 by 12. Okay, so again for the next month, that is 1st May, okay, 400 is withdrawn into 8%. Okay, you write here 8% into, it is for 11 months. So 11 by 12. Again for the next month, that is month of June. Okay, 400 is withdrawn into 8% into 10 by 12. Okay, so this is how the calculation carries on, okay, for the whole year. And at the last, okay, that is the 1st March, okay, year ending, okay, 1st March, there is drawings of rupees 400 into 8% into, for how many months? It is for only 1 month, so 1 by 12. So in all the cases you see here 8%, 8%, 8%, and this 8% is common, and here it is divided by 12, okay, 12, 12 and 12. Okay, so this is common. Rest what remains? 400 into 400 into, you see here, yeah, 400 into 12, that is your 12 fours are 48. Here 400 into 11, that is your 4400. 400 into 10, that is your 4000. So this way it will continue. Okay, lastly it is 400 into 1, it is 400. Okay, so interest on drawings will be, okay, when you total it up, Okay, you get the total product. On the total product into what is common, 8% is common, so multiplied by 8% into divided by 12. Yes or no? Because 12 is common, so it is divided by 12. Okay, so you get the figure. Interest on drawings in case of Anand is rupees 208. Okay, so this calculation you have understood or not, I don't know. Okay, I'm just making it clear. So you see here, it's nothing but 400. Okay, the amount of drawings every month. Okay, so 400 into 8% into 12 divided by 12. Okay, because it is for 12 months. The drawings is made for 12 months, and this one it is 400 into 8% into 11 divided by 12. Okay, and this is for 10 months. Okay, so that way it will carry on. Lastly, it is for 400 into 8% into 1 by 12. So here 8% and division by 12 is common in all the cases. Okay, so interest on drawings will be 31,200, that is on the total product, into 8 by 100. Okay, that is the common portion, into divided by 12. Okay, so the answer is 208 in case of Anand. Okay, and Krishna's you are going to find it by yourself. Okay, the answer will be 156. Interest on drawings will be 156. So hope you have understood this sum. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.